Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get Perplexity AI Pro completely free. Perplexity AI is a free AI powered answer engine that provides accurate, trusted and real-time answers to any questions. The Pro plan usually costs $20 per month, but I'll walk you through legit ways to get access Perplexity Pro without spending a single dollar. Let's get started. Now we need to go over a website called awesome.com. Sign up with our name, email, contact number and password. You can use any of your email or password. It's up to you. After logging to Awesome, we just need to click here browse free for service, and this will give us some options to get Crunchyroll free, Apple TV free. But here our video today is about Perplexity AI Pro. So we just click here to activate the Perplexity Pro. Now you need to copy the email here and paste it out in the Perplexity, and then it will ask you for a code. So if you come over to Awesome, you will see a link they provide. You visit that link and you can see there's too many OTPs here. So you just need to copy the latest OTP code and paste it there. And here you go. You can see that you are now logged in into a Pro account for Perplexity AI. And you can see the current plan here. It's $20 per month and you are able to use it for free. And if you check the models, you can see there's all the premium models like ChatGPT 4, Gemini AI and others as well. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.